Hello, I am Madhusree from class 7. I am going to do an experiment to show that whether a substance is acidic or basic. I am going to show that by using an indicator. An indicator is a type of substance used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. I used China rose solution in here. Now I have baking soda on the one side and liquid detergent on the other side. Now I am going to pour some uh, some of the China rose solution into the liquid detergent. You can see that the color is changing into dark green color. On the other side, I am pouring the solution on the baking soda. Here you can see it turns into purple. This is because the natural indicator present in the China rose, reacts to basic and acidic solution. The dark green solution represents to basic and the light pinkish color represents to the acidic. Thank you.